Must have dozed off. Well, no matter. Nothing ever happens around this old railroad depot anymore anyhow. Now that folks go gallivanting around the country in their automobiles and their campers and their buses and airplanes, it just doesn't seem like there's much to do for an old railroad man like myself. But I think I got it licked. I keep busy. You see, I work on my model railroad. No kidding. This is my hobby. Of course, I'll admit there are other hobbies like stamp collecting. Then there's butterfly hunting. And stamp collecting. And also some like bird watching. And stamp collecting. But I prefer model railroading. And that's what our story is all about.
From the beginning, man has always been a thinker, constantly dreaming up new ideas. The idea grows, man nurtures it, struggles to develop it until at last he becomes totally frustrated. Throughout history, many cultures experimented with model railroading with mixed results. Years of patient study by the world's best minds finally produced the modern model train. Its complexity and sophistication are a far cry from man's first crude attempts. The scales. There are many different scales, ranging from O, in which 1/4 of an inch equals 1 foot. S, in which 3/16 of an inch equals 1 foot, is much smaller and is equal to 2 1/2 O scales, unless, of course, you go to HO, in which 17 N scales right end to end wouldn't fit. However, Z scale, being only 22 times smaller in the southern hemisphere, can work in a radius of only 12 tangents across the end of an HO caboose, and that doesn't affect OS at all. You put them all together and they spell Austin Snots. However, the three most common scales are HO, N, and O. Anyone can be a model railroader. All it takes is a little imagination. The modern home offers the model railroader many fascinating places to locate his layout. This is not one of them. The first rule of model railroading is, if at first you don't succeed, try the garage. The model railroader's first layout isn't always his best. The important thing is his enthusiasm. He's built it himself, and it's his. Putting models together is only a start. The challenge is in making them look real. Any layout starts with a basic shape. First, we add spurs and double-ended sidings with necessary crossovers and perhaps an inner reverse loop. As branch lines reach out to other shipping points, more terminal sidings and overroutes will be added, while the throat of our yard expands. At this time, a second road cab or control point might be needed, with perhaps a third to oversee yard operations. As main lines grow and activity increases, more road cabs will be added. Their traffic is coordinated by a chief dispatcher or two, with more dispatchers added for each dozen or so cabs. To coordinate the yard masters, a train master and staff may be required, and perhaps the optional online UBN 9000 computerized traffic control system.
It is quite possible to become completely carried away.
Roger, Cap 52. Your 38B will intersect at Alhambra Crossing at 281. Delta Yardmaster, code green your SP-27 to Baker 773. Chief Dispatcher to Smoke River Tower. Negative your 2 inner 0 through Beamer Throat. Take the Cascade Bypass code yellow to Anderson 22. Hold there. Dispatch clear.
Request clearance for southbound Baker 773. Delta Yard, confirm South Bay Tower, Baker 204 now, westbound Tower 6.
Smoke River Cat 29. Your westbound code green 88 to Harper. This is Chief Dispatch. Go ahead.
Sir, the CBX 219 unit shows Zion is down. Suggest suggest reroute through Grand Springs.
Chief Dispatch to Mitchell 1, we're rerouting you through Grand Springs. Stand by.
Cab 33, Chief Dispatch.
Go ahead, 33.
I have an SP special, number 8721, holding at Gary 1.
33, you're cleared to Jackson 2. Hold there for me with East Mail.
In West Routing.
Take the Hudson Main to Jackson 2.
Jackson 2. Throttle coming up.
Dispatch clear.
Cab 49, you're reassigned at a T102 Erie, now at Fargo, to pick up outbound empties. See your routing slip. Traffic control clear.
Chief Dispatch.
This is GS on the 26.
We copy you, GS.
Stillwater Tower to Chief Dispatch. We found 106. He just got stuck in the tunnel up here.
Chief Dispatch to GS Limited. We found the problem. Take the Newman turnout and hold there. Should be a couple of minutes. Dispatch clear.
Traffic control to Chief Dispatcher. We have a trouble light in Sector 7. Standby 1. Confirmed, definite trouble light. It appears to be an electrical problem.
Check your master phase circuits.
The master phase circuits are set. Function positive. We still have a trouble light.
Adjust your low-pass stabilizer.
Correcting to flat. No change. Could be in the MacGuffin Master Power Control Unit. I'm checking the MacGuffin matrix. Wait a minute,
Shut down all power.
Power supply switch, negative function.
Try the manual override.
Manual override. No effect. We have no other way to stop. Speed controls are locked at full throttle. All units are now running out of control. Routing circuits are still operating.
All stations code red. Clear this channel and stand by for emergency operation.
Traffic to Chief Dispatcher. The CBX 219 unit projects a collision. The southbound low base local and the north main switch lead at Rogers Flat in 18 seconds. Suggest evasive switching.
Cab 67, put your main lead through the turnout on 65.
New collision projection. We have a switcher leading the Smoke River local and Jackson in 12 seconds.
Cab 14, route the Pacific Coast to Jackson 2. Cab 49, keep your on the main.
GS4 converging with Black Widow units, then heading on the North Bay straight in 8 seconds.
Put the Black Widow through the Irvine turnout.
Orient Express and the West Bay Shuttle.
Shuttle, take the dive from V1 home station.
A triple collision at Fairfax. Mixed freight 107, yard switcher 55, and Santa Fe deadhead, all at crossover F027B.
The switcher take the crossover.
Hey, control's responding.
Standby 1.
My trouble light is out.
Confirmed. Traffic to Chief Dispatcher, speed stabilizer online. Preparing to power down. Power down sectors 1 through 3. Power down sectors 4 through 6. 7, 8, 9. 10, 11, 12, 13. Master power shut down now. All stop. We're clear. Traffic control to Chief Dispatcher. Damage is temporarily repaired. All systems green. Standing by to resume normal operation.
All right, everybody. Let's get this railroad back on the line.